comedy is more like this general art form, and comedy can be done through stand-up sketch, improv, film, television. Comedy is just, uh, sort of more like this comedy is more like this general discipline, we'll call it, with several sub-disciplines, of which stand-up is one of them. Humor is something witty or clever or that makes people smile. And jokes are a vehicle to deliver humor. And when I say jokes, I don't mean like those old long-winded stories that our great uncles told us, like a rabbi, a priest, and a minister, and imam all walk into a bar, like none of that. To me, a joke is sort of like what you'd see on Twitter, 140 characters, like one or two sentences. It's short, it's compact, it's an economy of words and syllables, and it's true and it surprises, or it's ridiculous. I mean, there's a few ways to define it. But in my world, jokes are short.